Welcome back. You have made it to video 20 in our ServiceNow item series, and today we are focusing on hardware asset management. While software often gets all the attention, hardware is just as critical. From onboarding laptop to disposing of servers, each asset must be tracked, optimized, and compliant. Let's explore how you can manage hardware efficiently and strategically using ServiceNow. Lifecycle management from acquisition to disposal. The first step in effective FAM is managing the full asset lifecycle from the moment a device is ordered to when it's securely retired. With ServiceNow, you can automate asset onboarding by integrating with procurement and auto-generating records. Use usage tracking to monitor how and where devices are used. Set alerts for end of life or end of support status to plan replacement in time. Ensure secure disposal with proper data wipe logs and disposal certificates. This not only ensure operational readiness but also supports data security and environmental compliance. Maintaining an accurate inventory is the backbone of M, and audits are the key. ServiceNow offers robust features to streamline this. Use barcode or QR code scanning for easy check-in, checkout, and audits. Follow structured audit checklists to cover every required validation. Track asset location with geotagging or location fields, helping you know how exactly where assets reside. Resolving mismatch using discrepancy reports that highlight inconsistencies between records or reality. This reduces ghost assets and prevents inventory shrinkage. Hardware refresh and warranty strategy. Outdated hardware leads to performance issues and security risks. ServiceNow helps you build a proactive refresh strategy. Plan hardware refresh schedules based on the life cycle status, business needs, or vendor guidance. Set warranty alerts to catch upcoming expiries and avoid uncovered failures. Align refresh plans with your budget forecast to avoid surprise expenses. Maintain standardized configuration across laptops, monitors, servers, etc. for consistency and support efficiency. A smart refresh cycle avoids downtime, improves user experience, and saves money in the long run. Aligning HAM with finance and compliance. HAM is not just about it, it's deeply connected to finance and governance. With ServiceNow, you can track capex, capital expenditure, from asset purchase to disposal, maintain depreciation log tied to your finance system, support tax audits by providing clear asset histories and proof of disposals, align with internal policies like BYOD, hardware lifecycle, or refresh standards. When IT, finance, and compliance speak the same language, everyone wins. Let's wrap up this video with a quick overview. Today we discussed managing the entire hardware lifecycle from onboarding to secure disposal, performing regular inventory orders and using tools like barcode scanning and location tagging, planning a smart refresh and warranty strategy that avoid disruptions, and finally aligning him with finance and compliance to reduce risk and improve transparency. In our next video, ServiceNow roles in ITAM, we will explore the people side of asset management. We will break down key roles and responsibility within ITAM and how ServiceNow supports cross-functional collaboration. Thanks for staying with us. We are almost at the finish line.